Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today. We have another unboxing video for you, this time our PLJW 120 range hoods. So we're gonna take everything out of the box, prepare for installation, and show you everything that you need to do. We've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box. So first off, obviously we have the range hood itself. Then we have a separate box that's gonna be for our stainless steel baffle filters, as well as the grease tray. We're also gonna have a mounting bracket. It will come with the range hood and some hardware that will be necessary for installing the range hood. The manual should also be inside of the box. We've gone ahead and set everything else aside for now, so we can take our first look at the range hood. And the first thing you're gonna notice is the dual blower setup inside. So this one is a 42-inch model, so it's going to come with two different 900 CFM blowers. Depending on the size you get, it might also have a single blower. We do have 30-inch models all the way up to 60 inches. There is not a 54-inch model on this range hood, but those two blowers are enclosed inside of a 430 stainless steel housing. So that's gonna be it for the range hood. We'll take out all the other components and get them ready to install. So now that we've had a look inside of the range hood, we're gonna install our stainless steel baffle filters. So those come in that separate box along with the grease tray. To install these, we need to install the grease tray first. So very easy. There's a slot for it down here at the bottom. You can just kind of pinch it into place there, and that's gonna make it so we can put our stainless steel baffle filters inside. So we'll do kind of the same thing. We'll drop it down here in the bottom, and then look back up at the top for the slot that it needs to go in, pull it into place, and then we can install all three of those. Our stainless steel baffle filters are great because they're dishwasher safe, they're very durable and sustainable. They're gonna be everything you guys need in your range hood. Now that we've got our baffle filters installed, we can see our 3 LED lights here on the bottom of the range hood. These are great, they're gonna last you a lifetime. They're very easy to remove or replace if you ever need to, but they're great for any low light cooking environment if you're cooking in a dark space. Now, if we look up from our LED lights, we'll see our black LCD touch panel. This is where you'll control everything on the range hood. We can power it on, we can power the LED lights on. We also can control the speed of the range hood all the way up to 6 different speeds. So it gives you a lot of variability and control while you guys are cooking in your space at home. And it also has an auto shut off timer, so really gives you a ton of control. So there you guys have it. That's gonna be our PLJW 120 wall range hood unboxing. Something super low profile that offers a ton of power. Again, the dual 900 CFM blowers inside is gonna be plenty for any cooking environment and things that you do at home. If you guys have any questions about your range hood or what you're selecting for your home, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team here at Proline Range Hoods, or if you're still shopping around maybe for some other wall range hoods, check out our full catalog at ProlineRangeHoods.com. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this.